Uh, what are you aware about this Python programming? Anything that you are aware? Have you heard this term before? Anything?
I think it's like a Microsoft Excel, but it's can we can work with that like a big data, like huge
Yes,
data. I just know about just little bit that.
yes, correct. Uh, Actually, the Python is a programming language. It is used to develop a software, just like, and it is used to handle a data as well. So Python programming is very useful to work with the data, as well as this Python programming is useful in making a software development. Now the question is, uh, like what kind of software we can develop. So we can develop a various software. Uh, Let me start explaining you. So software is what? Are you aware about the software? What actually the software is? Software is a collection of programs, right? So whenever anyone says you, why do we use Python? This is the question. Suppose in interview they ask you why do we use Python? Then what you're going to say?
To develop the software.
Sorry, can you just repeat?
To develop the software.
Yeah, good. To develop a software, what kind of software? Desktop application. Okay. Desktop application, machine learning based application. What do you mean by machine learning based application? AI, artificial intelligence. Are you aware? Artificial intelligence. Do you know robotics? Artificial intelligence. Okay. Uh, how many of you are using iPhone? So, or any normal mobile? Do you have a face recognition in your mobile? Fingerprint or face
Yes.
recognition?
Yes, we
Yes.
do.
Yeah, that is based on artificial intelligence, machine learning based application. What we call that? Machine learning based application, artificial intelligence based application. Okay. So to develop a software that is if I say desktop application, what do you mean by that? Desktop application means your calculator, right? How you can open calculator? Just type same window plus R button. Here you just type Calc, okay, CALC. Just type it, click OK. It will going to open a calculator. You can see here. This is a desktop application. Why we call desktop? Because it works in a laptop, right? This is called a desktop application. Similarly, there are many applications. Machine learning, if I say about, then it is your face recognition, fingerprint based. You use voice also. You send voice through WhatsApp also, right? That is also based on this machine learning base as well. Voice recognition, right? Google, have you searched in a Google through your voice?
Yes.
Uh, if you just click on this Google, and here, once you type on a Google, just 1 minute. So here, this is an option, okay? Like here, so when I click here, allow, you can speak as well. Please search Python. Can you see here what it says now? Right, let me try once again. Python. Just 1 minute. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Python. See here. I just said Google identified that Python and it's showing me the Python, right? You want to try something else? So how it is working? It looked like a game, but it working like that. For example, see here, for example, right? So this is work based on the machine learning voice recognition application. And this is developed with Python. So I will going to show you that programming only, like how we can develop a Python programming. For that, you have to install a Python software on your system and some another software as well that I will going to show you. Can anyone share a screen so we can install the Python on one system and you can watch the lecture in the YouTube and my lecture and you can download it as well, because in my system Python is already available. Let me show you. You go to the CMD. How you can check whether Python is there in your system? Just type here Python and press
Can I-
enter. You can see it is showing that Python is already available, right? Python, this is a version, right? So who will going to share a screen so we can start installing Python in their system?
I have
Leknath or
downloaded.
okay, okay. Yeah,
Maybe
yes. Please share your screen. Whatever the operating system you have, we're going to do.
okay, I'm sharing it.
Yeah.
I think you need to stop yours first.
Yes. I'm stop sharing 1 minute.
Did
Just minimize. Just minimize this notepad. The notepad that is open, you can close it or minimize it.
okay, I did.
Yeah, now you open the command prompt. How you open command prompt?
Yeah, I already open.
Okay, now type Python here. Python, Python.
Thank you.
Press
And then
enter. Yes. As Python is not installed in your system, it is
Yeah,
asking
I
you
haven't
to,
installed.
yeah, so that's why it's giving you a suggestion. You can download it from here. So just click, you just cancel this, close this. We're going to download from the Python org document. You close this. We're going to,
Close.
yeah, you
Okay.
close this. Now open the Google browser, because if this is, I think you might have a original OS, that's why it is giving. Yeah, you open browser. Click on show. Click on that. You Yeah, click on the Google Chrome.
Wait.
Guest mode. Click on guest mode. Yeah, maximize it.
It's okay.
Click on maximize it.
Yeah, I did.
Yes. Now you type python.org. Python.org. Yeah, press enter. Yeah. Now you click on download. No, above only you are getting an option. Scroll up. You can see on the menu you are getting about, download. Click, yeah, download. Click on this, download for Windows. Yeah, click on this, download Python. Window. Click on window. Window. In the, yeah, no, not there. You can see, yeah, click on that window. Yes. Scroll down. Scroll down. Now here the latest version that is available, window installer. Your window is 64-bit or 32-bit? No, wait. Your window is 64-bit or 32-bit? Am I audible?
Yeah, you
Hello?
are audible
Yeah,
to me.
yes, yes.
Okay. On your right hand side, you can see download window installer 64-bit. Right hand side.
Okay,
Right
right
hand.
hand. Okay,
Go
this
up.
one
No.
up.
Up.
Which,
Yeah. Oh, up. Yeah, this one. 64-bit. 64-bit
okay,
installer. No.
64 one.
No, that is window package. Window installer, I'm saying. Just go up. Go up.
Up.
Yeah. No, not that much. Did you see window installer 64-bit?
I did this one, right?
No. Yeah. Scroll up.
This one.
Window
Yes.
installer.
Yeah. Click on that.
Okay.
Click on this arrow cross beside the guest. Yeah. It's yeah. Allow. No. Yeah. Allow it. Allow. Done.
Yes, and done.
Now you click on that. Now you click on again window installer.
Okay. And down here or up here?
No. Click up that itself. Window installer
This one,
64.
right? This.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The install now. Now I have to click on install now. Amit.
Yeah. Click on install one. No. Cancel it. Cancel it.
Cancel? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Cancel it immediately. Yes.
Okay.
You have to do the setting. Please wait for my instruction. Close this. Now,
Close.
yeah, rerun that setup. You go to the download of your system, download folder.
Okay. Mm,
Yeah, file explorer.
download. Okay. And
Yeah,
this
click on
one,
that.
the first.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait unless I give you instruction. Wait for that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Click on this add Python. You see add Python below option.
Okay.
Check it. Yeah. Now you
Check.
click on install. Click on
Okay.
install now. Yes. Everyone remember, you have to check that add path, because that path you need to add it with your system. Otherwise, your window will not be able to identify Python.
Oh, okay. Nine, hold on. Nine, please, hold on. So I have to click on yes.
Yes, boy, wait.
Wait.
It will take time. It's an initializing, right? So I can
Yeah.
see your screen that it is installing. It will take some time.
Okay, thank you.
So you just wait unless this done. It won't take much time.
Okay.
So other can also try it in your system. Are you doing parallelly or you're just watching? Why it's taking so much time?
I was trying to do it, but because of sharing, maybe because of that, I can't do that.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, okay.
So
maybe I
Nirmala,
can.
you can stop share. If once this initialization is done, you can just update. So you can share a screen. I will help you. Okay.
They are not giving me any option because it's blank now and it is. I only got option like yes or no. Should I
No,
hit yes or no?
yeah, yes,
Yes. Okay.
but I can't see anything on your screen. Okay, okay,
You
yeah,
see now?
yeah, I can see now.
So I should do stop sharing.
No, no, wait, let it be complete.
Okay, thank
It,
you.
it won't take much time. Let's other
Okay.
also come to know. Once you click on yes, because that yes was not visible to us, but once you click on yes, it will going to come like this progress bar. Okay, तो ये progress bar जब complete हो जाए, तो all of you are aware about means are you familiar with Hindi?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
ठीक है, तो आप लोग यहाँ पर इसको मीन्स दिस जस्ट वेट फॉर ये प्रोग्रेस बार. जैसे ये प्रोग्रेस बार कंप्लीट हो जाता है, देन देयर इज एन ऑप्शन ऑफ सम न्यू ऑप्शन विल कम, तो वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा अभी. सो जस्ट वेट
Amit,
फॉर.
I don't understand much. So can you speak English with me?
Okay, yeah.
Please? Yeah.
So
Thank you.
yeah, so I was saying like just wait for this progress bar to complete. This progress bar green will complete, so it will going to give you some options that we're going to see. So all of you can try it with watching this video after this session, installing it. Then we're going to start programming. It's very easy. Once you start doing programming, uh, I will going to give you some questions that usually asked in the interviews that will be helpful for you. And you will come to know like how projects usually build.
Okay, thank you.
So just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Uh, I think Geeta or some other, they said they are also doing that. Once she will done, then I will say you also to share a screen.
Amit, is that the same step for Mac as well?
Yeah, that also same step. I think it's Sunita, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, for Mac also you have to do the same step. But if you have any issue, you can I can help you in that as well, because I have to take one classes for Mac command as well that we're going to do. Yeah, it's done successfully. Now you can close this. Now you open a command prompt, open CMD, type, always prefer a shortcut, window plus
Okay.
R, okay?
Should
No,
I
you
do
can,
again or?
no, you can do it right now. But next time prefer shortcut, type Python here.
Okay. Type Python.
Yes, Python, enter.
Enter.
Now you see here, earlier when you are typing Python, it was opening that Play Store, right? Because Python was not there. But right
Mhm.
now you have a Python and your window is 32-bit, not 64-bit. Uh, okay, no, it's 64-bit on Windows 32, sorry. Yeah, it's a 64-bit and AMD processor. So now it's installed successfully on Python. So now you can stop share.
Okay.
Anyone who is doing the installation, they can share a screen. Just yeah, press OK.
Can you show me?
Yes. Now type Python. No, you have spelled wrong.
Oh,
Type
sorry.
Python correctly. See, in your case as well, Python is not installed, right?
Yeah.
So,
Mhm.
so just check it before. Once you start working in any organization, you
Mhm.
have to. This is the first step you need to check whether Python is available or not.
You
Don't.
want me to close?
Yeah, you close this. Now you
Mhm.
do the same step. You minimize this CMD, minimize it. Open the browser. Sorry, open a new tab. Click on new tab, Google Chrome,
Okay.
and search Python org. Click on the new tab.
Google Chrome, right?
Yeah, you can do it on the same as well. Microsoft page as well, you can do it.
Okay.
Go to that Microsoft page. Click on this plus symbol. Do you see the plus symbol after searching, after the
Here?
search? Not there. Yeah, you can type there Python org. Remove this Python org. This is an official website. You note down this Python org for downloading a software as well as learning as well. Press enter. Yeah, click on the downloads. You can see this download. Yeah. Now click on download Python 3.10.0.
This one?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, now you double click on this. You can double click on that. Yeah, okay. Wait. Add a Python. Yeah, correct. Add a Python path. Yes. Now click on install now. It might be giving you option yes or no. System admin. Click on yes. Is it giving yeah? Okay. So based on your system configuration, it will take a time. If you are using some latest processor, it will going to install quickly. If you have an old system, then it might take some time. But based on the
Okay.
speed of your system, I think you have some you have a new laptop, so it won't take much time.
Yeah.
So you can see here, everyone they will going to do the same process. Okay, how to download this Python. I will going to show you one more software we might require for doing data analysis. Now you close this.
It's done now, right?
Yeah, cancel. Yeah,
Do you want to cancel? Yes.
yes, because you have clicked twice. That's why it's open. Now you press Window plus R button. Window plus R button. Yeah, good. Now you click on OK. CMD is already done. Type Python here. Yeah,
Yeah, I can
you
see
can
now.
see. Yeah. So in the similar way, everyone they have to do it. Now, wait. Now I will going to, okay, you can stop share. I will going to explain how to run the code. So how you're going to do programmatically. You can see my screen. Now you can see once you type a Python, okay, this shell will open. Now here you can start some program. Program means arithmetic program. This is called as arithmetic program where we're going to do arithmetic operation. So suppose 2 plus 2. I will going to press enter. You can see here it is giving addition, right?
फ्राइडे 2:15 छ अरे त्योभन्दा अगाडि 6 घन्टा अगाडि केही नखान दिनु अरे हेभी ब्रेकफास्ट दिनु अरे एकदम ओट खान दिनु अनि
दुईटा भेगा 4 किलो चिकन पकाएर दुईटा नट चिकन
Nirmala Didi, you forgot to mute your.
Yeah, Leknath and I'm muting everyone. So you can see here when you do addition of two numbers, you can do it with program as well. So now you might be thinking like, what is this? This is not a software. This is actually the software only. Means you are writing some command for doing arithmetic operation. So you can see in the calculator as well, you do it, right? When you do it with calculator, when you type it like 2 plus 2, right? 2 plus 2, you are getting 4, right? This is with the calculator you are doing. But what about programs? Now, similarly, if I want, let me say you multiply 365 into 40. Can you tell me easily? No, right? It takes some time, but with program, you can easily find it out. This is called as a program, means in Python, you can do the programs, you can write a command, you can write the instruction. Every line they can call as the instruction. You can follow it from here as well. You can see if you want to find out 50 minus 5 into 6, how much you will get. If I ask you, what will be the answer? 50 minus 5 into 6. What will be the answer?
2.
50 minus 5 into 6, 5 into 7. Tell me the answer of this.
15.
Yes, correct. Similarly, if I say you, now suppose you want to see the same command. So you don't have to type it again. Okay. Parallelly do it. Who have installed this Python in their system, just open this Python and write this instruction. And suppose now you want to get this command again. So you just have to press page up button. Everyone, they have a page up button in your screen, your keyboard.
Which
Upper arrow.
bottom?
Page up button, page up, upper arrow.
Okay, yeah. I see over here.
Yeah,
You
we do
can
that.
see it's written like this, capital P G U P, page up kind of thing,
Yes,
and it is
okay.
having an
PCL.
arrow. Yes.
Mhm.
So when you press page up, you will get that command same. You see here, I press page up. You can see I'm getting the command, right? You can see it's changing. You don't need to copy. It's coming directly, right? Let me change 40 to 800. See here, I'm getting it. So like this, you can do it. Now again, I will going to press page up button, and now here I will going to do this 800 divided by 3 into this. So you will get this answer, right? So without a calculator also you can perform an operation. So in Python, this is a programming language. You can similar operation you can do with other as well. Is it clear to everyone? What about others? Sunita,
Yeah,
Vivek, I think it's
yeah, I
clear.
got it.
Vivek,
Yes.
Can you repeat one more time, please?
who is it? Geeta?
I'm Sunita. I was like trying
Okay.
to do here and then yeah.
So I was saying you, whenever you want to do arithmetic operation, you just have to write down and press enter. You will get the answer. Now, if you want to save your time, just press page up button. You just click here once on the screen and then press page up button. You see whatever command you have written, you are getting page up and page down. Page up for to move in a bottom to top and page down to move from top to down.
Oh, okay.
Just try once.
I was like trying to do here. in
Are you
my
getting
lap-
error or are you able to do it?
I'm trying. So first we need to type some word. I'm like
Some numbers.
the numbers, right?
Hmm. No, you don't need to type some number. I'm saying you have to perform arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation, you know, have you heard this term arithmetic?
No.
Arithmetic means this arithmetic operation, addition, multiplication. You know, addition, multiplication, division.
For that purpose, we use this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you share a screen?
I'm sharing.